Welcome! First and foremost, I would like to thank you for taking interest in my motivational course for natural hair. I am so happy to have you here with me. My name is Carla. I have natural curly hair and I am a natural hair enthusiast. For the last 10 years, I have learned a lot about natural curly hair and I have been able to grow long, healthy hair. I believe that every natural curly girl has what is necessary to have beautiful, long, healthy hair, including you. It is my absolute pleasure to share what I have learned with you because I want you to have beautiful, healthy hair and to be confident with your natural hair. Again, I would like to welcome you to this motivational course for natural hair, as well as give you an overview of what you can expect from this course. This course will serve you as a guide to grow long, healthy hair. Additionally, you will be given the opportunity to learn more about the hair growth process and what is in your power to do. In the last 2 lessons, you will have the possibility to assess what you have learned and have some bonus tips to help you with your hair. Feel free to take notes whenever you need to, and also feel free to pause the videos whenever it is necessary for you. Again, I am happy to see you embark on this natural hair care journey. So let's get started.